Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable show tabs feature on your Android phone for screen recording. So guys, to activate this feature, you have to activate your developer option first on your Android phone. So you can go to the settings application to activate it, and after that you can scroll down until you find the about phone option, this one. Tap on the about phone, then you're going to click on the software information, and on the software information you have to tap on the build number. You can keep tapping until the developer option is activated like this. Keep tapping on it. Okay, and now the developer mode has been turned on. Then we can open our developer mode. Just go back to the previous menu. Then this is the developer mode options. So you can tap on it, and if you want to show tabs, you just need to find the show tabs option. You have to keep scrolling until you find it. Okay, and this is the show tabs option. You have to tap on the toggle button to show tabs. Okay, and as you can see now, the show tabs has been activated, this one. And alright guys, that's how we can enable show tabs on Android phone for screen recording. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.